In today's video, we're diving into a game changer in maintenance management mobile access. Mobile technology is transforming industries, and it's reshaping the way maintenance teams manage their operations. We'll explore why mobile access is so crucial in modern maintenance management, its key benefits, and what it means for the future of maintenance. So let's get into it. In the past, maintenance teams often relied on paper-based systems, using paperwork, binders, and whiteboards to track equipment and service schedules. Fast forward to today, and mobile technology has completely revolutionized how maintenance teams operate. With mobile access, team members can access important information instantly from anywhere. This is possible through mobile-friendly CMMS, computerized maintenance management systems, allowing workers to access real-time data, log maintenance activities, and receive alerts all from their mobile devices. It's like having a powerful tool right in your pocket. One of the biggest benefits of mobile access is the improvement in response times. When an issue arises, whether it's a faulty piece of equipment or an urgent repair, workers no longer need to return to a desktop or office to find out what needs to be done. They can see everything they need on their mobile devices, making the whole process faster and more efficient. Imagine being able to track assets, log maintenance history, and create service requests, all while out in the field. Mobile access enables this, and it means maintenance teams can work smarter and more productively. Mobile access also improves communication within maintenance teams and across departments. With cloud-based solutions, all data is synchronized in real time, so no matter where the team members are, everyone stays up to date on job status, work orders, and inventory levels. This seamless communication is crucial for ensuring that tasks are completed efficiently and without delays. Additionally, mobile access helps reduce downtime. When workers have real-time data at their fingertips, they can make informed decisions more quickly, whether it's ordering a part, scheduling a service, or determining the next steps in a repair process. Another amazing advantage of mobile access is its ability to centralize data. All maintenance records, such as work orders, parts used, and inspection reports, are stored in one place. This not only increases efficiency, but also helps with long-term planning and compliance. Instead of tracking multiple documents across different platforms, everything is centralized, making it easier for the team to stay organized. So, what are the key benefits of mobile access in modern maintenance management? First, it increases efficiency. Field workers can access information instantly and report back from anywhere. Second, it enables real-time communication, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Third, mobile access significantly reduces downtime by giving workers quick access to work orders and parts. Finally, it improves data accuracy by storing all information in one system, minimizing errors and improving decision-making. Looking to the future, mobile access in maintenance management is only going to get better. As technology advances, we'll likely see more integrations, such as IoT, Internet of Things devices, that automatically send maintenance alerts to mobile devices. We could even see AI and machine learning being used to predict when equipment needs service, eliminating the need for reactive maintenance. Imagine equipment that can notify your CMMS system about an issue before it breaks down. No more guesswork, just predictive maintenance. In conclusion, mobile access is revolutionizing how maintenance teams operate. It makes them more efficient, agile, and proactive. If you're looking to level up your maintenance management strategy, embracing mobile access is essential. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this content useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. How has mobile access impacted your maintenance operations? We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.